I picked up 3 of these little flag buckets from the Dollar Tree. This is actually something from the 4th of July aisle, and I think they're so cute. And then I picked up some of the Dollar Tree fireworks. We don't like to go too crazy with our fireworks in our home because, they're expensive. My son has some sensory issues, so he's not a big fan of things that explode. So these are going to be perfect for our home. And I picked up some of these little glitter star picks. I thought these were really pretty too. They're red, white, and blue glitter, and they're already on like a dowel. So I thought these would be perfect to make labels for the fireworks for like a 4th of July celebration. So the first one that I did was the poppets. I'm just going to go ahead and leave them in the box because they're kind of messy. They have all that like, sawdust or whatever it is in there with them. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave them in their box. I just want to kind of use the star as a label. I wanted to do 3 of these. And so I went to my Cricut and I'll try to find, I'll link the Cricut file. This is a Cricut Design Space font that I used. It's one of the new BTC ones. I think it's, I can't remember what it's called off the top of my head. BTC Spark maybe. And I just cut out some Cricut vinyl with that to make little labels for them. So I'm going to have them say snap, crackle, and pop. I thought that was really fun for the 4th of July. So I'm going to use my paper, transfer paper that I get on Amazon. I always have that linked in the description below. And we are going to go ahead and put this on here. Now, I didn't expect the glitter to be like so hard for stickers to stick to. The vinyl did pretty good, but I did have to use stickers on one of these and it was hard to get it to stick to it. But there is our little snap star, and I thought that would be good with the poppets. I know poppets say pop, but I have another idea for the pop. So snap, because they kind of make a snapping noise when you like throw them on the ground, right? And I wasn't sure about leaving those in the box, but I went ahead and decided to do that. Now on the next one, we're going to do crackle is the word that I did. So we're going to just weed that vinyl as well. And we can do that one on the blue glitter star. And for crackle, we're going to do sparklers because they kind of crackle, right, when they burn. So I thought that would be really fun. And we always love sparklers. We've actually already done some that we found stored away from last year. They're so fun. You never get too old for sparklers, right? So this is our little blue glitter star, and I'm going to use that transfer paper to put crackle on this one. Now, I wasn't thinking, I did white because I thought white would be great for the vinyl on Snap, Crackle, and Pop, but one of the stars is white. So, that's not going to work unless I do like an offset or something like that. But I found a solution to that problem here in just a second. So there's our crackle word. The vinyl stuck fairly well considering I used stickers for the last one, and that was actually kind of really difficult. Now, these are the sparklers they have this year at the Dollar Tree. So I picked up 3 packages of those. They're really small little boxes, I guess, to kind of like make like individual, like maybe party favors with them. But I'm just going to leave them in the box and put the crackle star in there to label that fireworks. And these are great because they're decorations for the 4th of July, but then on the 4th of July or whenever, you can always use these items as well. So decorative art. Now for the pop. Here is the white glitter star, and I was like, white on white's not going to work, but I actually had some blue letter stickers that I found from the Dollar Tree. So we're going to try these out. I think they would work better if you were going to put them on a surface that's not like glitter foam. But I'm going to do pop on this one with blue so that you can read it. So POP on this one. I found that like the sticker comes off like as fast as you touch the glitter on these, but I'm trying my best to like lay those down on there, but I could tell it was gonna like fall off like immediately. So once I get it on there, I decide to Mod Podge it to glue it down, and that works, but it was a little challenging because once I got it wet, it made like the letters like stick even less. So let me show you that. I just kind of push it down, see how they like all just want to go all over the place. But I am determined we are going to have a pop sign. So I just kind of push those back down into the Mod Podge with my fingers to get that to glue on there. But using those little glitter stars as signs, I think, is a great idea because I was not sure what I'm going to do with those. And like on the snap one and on the pop one, I do use my miter scissors just to cut those down a little bit to make different heights. And for the pop, we're going to use the little party poppers they have in with the fireworks for the 4th of July section. And 2 bags I think is going to fit perfectly in this one. And we have our 4th of July fireworks ready. And it's a cute little decoration to decorate for the 4th of July. All the DIYs I did today, I wanted to do quick, easy ones from the Dollar Tree. But also, you know, I wanted to get a little bit creative with them as well. So here is our little snap, crackle, and pop American flag buckets.